What's going on? It is storming today. Yeah, we're gonna be rolling to Grapevine, Texas to work on a Chevy Avalanche. Know for sure it's gonna be getting some rear brakes installed, and we just look at some other things on it and see what's going on with it. All right, knocking out the brakes on this. This is a pretty simple procedure. These are pretty much all the tools that you need. And this is probably too much of them, but 13 millimeter for the bracket itself, crowbar or pry bar, push the piston back, or a brake tool, brush to clean the brake caliper, just a couple zippies, 22 millimeters on the wheels, and the part number 1194. Last customer picked up his own parts. All good to go. On to the next. This customer was just having a dragging sound underneath the car, so all it was just the engine splash shield had got a little damaged. Just need to be readjusted and put back into place. It's a pretty nice Volkswagen, 2022 model. Right, until the next episode. Driving how they look. There's a storm coming. Another one's coming. Definitely more repairs to come. Each one of those boxes is a separate repair in a different city, including this right here. Another